Hello everyone! Today, I am showing you my anti-gravity humidifier. Let's get started. Plug in 5-volt 10-watt USB Type-C cable. You can set the 24-hour time. And watch your humidifier make an illusion. The droplets seem to float upwards because the strobe light flashes at the perfect frequency, 50 to 80 Hz, to make the water freeze or float. This humidifier releases a fine spray, the perfect gadget for bedroom with low humidity. Even with dry skin and dry cough, or an stuffy nose. This is how it sounds like. If you want to use it, you can twist off the top to open it. Before using it, it's highly recommended to wash the water tank. By the way, never use tap water or your purified drinking water because the humidity could create mineral dust all over your furniture. The best thing to do is pour distilled or reverse osmosis water after washing and drying and twist the top back in. The weight on this humidifier is 450 grams. The body material is ABS plastic and silica gel. The size is 120 to 131 millimeters, and the water tank capacity is 800 milliliters. Oh, the product model is LZ599. Stick your finger in the illusion, and the water falls right down. And some people actually poured some water in a cup. The water still looks like it flows up while it's filling the cup. Thanks for watching.